democracy stops, where the boundaries of Jammu and Kashmir begin. 5 years without an elected government. The last time this happened was in the early 90s. Now we all know the situation on the ground in Kashmir in the early 90s. I don't think anybody would suggest that we're anywhere near that sort of situation. So why is Jammu and Kashmir being denied an election? The only reason I can think of is because the BJP doesn't have the confidence to face the people. Like it or not, there is still a constituency that does not agree with accession to India. There is still a constituency that believes that J&K's future lies outside of the four walls of the constitution. I don't represent that constituency. I never could. But that constituency needs to be taken into account. It doesn't just miraculously disappear. The fight for 370, it might be a lonely battle that some of us will wage. We're ready to do it on our own. I hope that the judges will see things from our point of view. Whether that's the actual outcome, we'll have to wait and see.